Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we are continuing our journey west. We are heading to San Antonio, Texas, and tomorrow off to Roswell, New Mexico. Don't forget to hit like. Thank you for watching and enjoy the ride. The drive for today will be about a 6-7 hour drive. We'll be taking I-10 west. We're entering the city of Lake Charles. Very industrial, lots of refinery here. Very close to Texas, but not yet. We are officially in Texas, and it's true what they say, that everything is big. It kind of reminds us back home, since the highways are big, like in South Florida. This is Houston coming up here, very big metropolitan city. We stopped for a couple of hours, but we really needed to get to our destination, San Antonio. Here we go.
Baby.
When we got back to the RV resort, I wasn't able to get a lot of video footage, so I just took a few pictures so I could show you what the place looked like. In today's drive, we are heading towards Roswell, New Mexico. We hop back on I-10 West. It's gonna be about an 8.5 hour drive. 20 to 40 minutes after we left San Antonio, as you can see here, the landscape started changing. It was like the beginning of our trip for us, especially coming from South Florida that we never seen landscape like this. It was really worth seeing all this landscape change. We made it to Roswell, New Mexico. We stay at this beautiful RV park. It's about 5 minutes from downtown area where all the local attractions are at. In our next couple of videos, we'll do a full review about this RV resort. We were into town where we went into the UFO museum. It has information related to the 1947 Roswell incident and other unexplained UFO research. The whole town is about aliens, UFOs. For us, it was kind of a bucket list coming here. If you're not into aliens or spacecraft or none of this matter, then this is not recommended for you. Next morning, we went into the state park called Bottomless Lake State Park. It's about 20 minutes outside of Roswell. It also has a campground, and we didn't stay here because it was about 20 minutes, like I said earlier. And after driving 8 hours yesterday, I didn't want to drive again to go into town. That's why we didn't stay here, but it's very, very beautiful, secluded. Look at all the landscaping, look at all the red rocks. Like I said earlier, this is all new to us. It's insane, it's beautiful. This here is kind of like a recreational area where people come swimming, I guess, over the weekend. And the campground will be to the right. I couldn't really get a shot because I didn't want to disturb people, but it's very big. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really like it. In our next stop, we'll be heading into Arizona, but that will be in our next video.